Good night, or good evening, good night, good morning also to some of y'all folks, lovely people. First of all, I want to give a shout out and show gratitude for getting another day of life, another moment of air, breathing, space, breathing in oxygen, releasing carbon dioxide. This is not why I'm here today. I want to give a short testimony of how a storm rain ink helped me, or how it benefited me to propel in life by looking at leave it in the hands of the higher power, our creator, to handle whatever is facing me as an individual, and assisting also those loved ones around me who have observed this type of motto. The end of the summer of last year, when I moved in an environment that I was not aware of, was not familiar to me, I got the opportunity to meet the creator of this program, the designer of the program. And by the grace of God, he gave us the strength to exercise his faith and dissect and calculate every move that we made hereafter within the environment, within society, and by placing him as the higher power, the ultimate power, the supreme power, the creator, the maker, who can only make you and only one to break you, but he will not, because he's not one of confusion, he's one of peace. Through all of this, I am now able. I started off when I moved in on my own and met Miss Lucky, that I was afraid to make decisions, doubting myself, self-doubt, that I now gained more. I had it, but I didn't use it. More self-respect as an individual. Saw myself as a rose that was blossoming and kept on blossoming through faith. First, by our Father, by Jesus Christ, and by the Holy Spirit. Those three main elements to apply to whatever decision I have made from that point on. This program has helped me extremely. I was confident, but I am very much more confident. And I am a prime example, the epitome of how you can progress. I'm now no longer a regular employee. I'm a supervisor of a very important department of my company. And I apply this motto not only in my work, but also for personal endeavors that I face. And I have to thank a Storm Rain Inc. for this. Thank you.